Hey, it's Yay for Yarn, and today I am reviewing the two new Yay Crochet kits from We Crochet. Alright, so first of all, I should mention here that I did not receive these items for free. I bought them with my own money as soon as I realized they were available. And if you watched my last video about my first We Crochet order, then you probably saw the first Yay Crochet kit that I bought, and I did a review on it in that video, and I loved it. But the Yay Crochet Kit, in a few words, is a deeply discounted bundle of yarn and crochet tools that they're offering at We Crochet for a limited amount of time. And if you're not familiar with We Crochet or Crochet.com is the sister company to Knit Picks. And it's a lot of the same yarns and some of the same tools that they have over at Knit Picks. But from We Crochet, they've got a whole website just for crocheters. There's no knitting stuff on there. It's all crochet. So the first Yay Crochet kit that I bought in my previous video came with the first issue of the We Crochet magazine, plus a bunch of other stuff that totaled about $80 worth of stuff, and it was selling for 20 bucks. And so when I posted a video about that first kit and I showed you all that was in the kit and what a great value it was, several hundred people clicked through my links and bought the kit, sold out within a few hours. So if you're interested in either one of these kits, I have two different Yay Crochet kits here, and they are both an amazing value. So if you're interested in either one of these kits after watching this video, definitely go and order them. Links in the description box below as soon as you possibly can, just to make sure that you get one before they sell out. Because last time I posted about these, they sold out very quickly. So I have two different kits here. This one, with this pile of stuff over here, is the $25 Yay Crochet kit, and this pile over here is the $15 Yay Crochet kit. The $25 kit includes over $100 worth of stuff, and the $15 kit includes over $39 worth of stuff. So both of these are a great value, but this one has quite a bit more stuff in it. So first, let's go over what is included in the $15 kit. First of all, we have this Yay Crochet pin, and I got this one in my last kit as well. This pin is exclusively available with a Yay Crochet kit. You cannot buy this pin by itself. And it has a little metal backing on it. And it's a little green sparkly yarn ball that says Yay Crochet on it. It has a little face and a crochet hook going through the ball of yarn. So that is super cute. Then we've got a size D or 3.25 millimeter Clover Soft Touch crochet hook. And I haven't actually tried this particular hook before. I've tried the Clover Amour hooks, but I've never tried the Soft Touch. So I'll have to try that one out and let you guys know what I think of it. But that is included with this kit. And then in the $15 kit, you also get 2 skeins of Cotlin. And this is a DK weight yarn. The colorway is called Surf. And these are 250-gram skeins. This is a blend of cotton and linen. So I have played with this yarn a little bit before, and it's a really nice quality yarn, very smooth, very low fuzz, great for spring and summer projects. So this is a really nice quality yarn, and I don't know what I'll do with this yet, but there will definitely be some kind of project with all of these yarns in the future. And then last in the Yay Crochet kit for the $15 one, we have the We Crochet magazine. And this is issue 2 of the magazine. This is a quarterly magazine, so they do like 4 issues per year. So I imagine the next issue will come out in the summertime. And the reason that I mention that is because they just came out with these new Yay Crochet kits with the release of the second issue of the magazine. And if you saw my first video, the first issue came with the first Yay Crochet kit. So my guess is that if they do ever have another Yay Crochet kit, it will probably not be until they release the next issue of the magazine. So if you want one of these, definitely grab it as soon as you can, because it may be a while. If they have another one in the future, it may be a while before they get another one in. So as I mentioned in my previous video, This magazine is like a book. There is a ton of pretty stuff in here. As it says on the cover, 25 perfect spring patterns. And the photos in this thing are beautiful. There are a bunch of patterns in here. Interviews with designers, and this lady crocheted her dress and they interviewed her. And then there's a bunch of, see, here's a crochet along for this blanket, which is really pretty. And there's just so much stuff in here. It's practically a book. So here are some of the projects. This is one of my favorite pages. This photo is beautiful. And I'm just going to kind of skip through here because there's just so much in here. I can't show it, all of it to you in one video. There's just way too many patterns in here to take a close look at each one of them. But there's a ton of patterns in this book. And they're all just so pretty, very springy, and a lot of them have crocheted flowers. So I am very pleased with the patterns in this book. Everything in here is so pretty. But anyway, this is like a really nice quality book too. It's very thick paper, very nice quality pages, and it's not printed like on regular catalog paper. So this is a very high quality magazine that will last a very long time. And there's tons and tons of patterns in here that are super, super pretty. So that is the $15 kit. All of that is included there. That is approximately $39 worth of merchandise. And then over here, we have the $25 kit. This is $100 worth of merchandise. So again, included with this kit, we have the Yay Crochet enamel pin, exactly the same as the other one, but they are only available with the Yay Crochet kits. Then I'm going to go ahead and move this over for a second here. We have this little drawstring project bag, and this is made from natural fibers. And it says coffee, crochet, sleep, repeat. And I actually have several project bags like this with different graphics on them from either Knit Picks or We Crochet, and they are very, very nice. I use them all the time. All small projects go into one of these bags in my craft area. So then in this kit, we also have issue 2 of the We Crochet magazine. Then we've got the Bright Crochet hook set. I got another set of these in the previous Yay Crochet kit, but I've been testing them out, and so far they seem like pretty nice quality hooks, especially for the price. So these do not have the letter markings on them on the handles, but they do have the millimeter markings, and they come in this kind of reusable plastic case. They're all different colors, and they have some nice soft ergonomic handles on them. So as I said, I've been playing with the set that I got in my previous Yay Crochet kit, and these are pretty nice quality hooks. Then we've also got the crochet hook case, and this one is in silver sparkle, just like the tote bag that I got in the last kit. And I was actually surprised at how thick this is. At first I thought that this has like a piece of a styrofoam sheet inside to make sure that it doesn't get bent in transport or whatever, but it doesn't. It's actually padded on the outside, which is really nice because it has some pretty thick padding. So on both sides of the case, we have this twill-lined pocket, and this is a nice big pocket, and the sides of the case are thickly padded, as I mentioned. All the zippers in here are really nice. And then we have these double-sided hook slot pockets. I guess this is more like a flap, but it has these nice roomy pockets for the crochet hooks. This will probably fit the ergonomic hooks. I'm just going to go ahead and grab one and stick it in here just to check. So this is the biggest hook in that set, and it does fit into the pockets. So probably what I would do is I would either line them up in order of sizes or else put them in upside down so you can see the millimeter size and the color of the handle sticking up. So I will definitely do a review on these hooks in the future, but this case is a great way to store them, and it has slots for 18 hooks total between the two slots, and then you've also got these really big roomy pouches on both sides for whatever else you want to keep in your case. So this is a really nice quality case. It has the little We Crochet logo embossed on the front. But I was actually surprised at how padded this is and how protective it is for the hooks. So last but not least, we have the yarn. And in the $25 kit, we have 2 skeins of Cotlin DK in mustard seed. And again, this is the cotton and linen blend, and they're 250-gram skeins. Very pretty color. And then we have 3 skeins of Dishy. And this is kind of marketed as a dishcloth yarn, but this is just a smooth, pure worsted weight cotton. And for a dishcloth yarn, this is really nice quality. Just from the feel of it, I think I like this better as far as the feel and the look of the yarn goes. I think I like this better than like Peaches and Cream or, your typical dishcloth yarns that tend to be kind of stiff. This one is not stiff at all. It's very smooth and soft and pliable. So I think this is kind of a higher quality dishcloth yarn, but I really like the feel of this. It's very smooth, very soft, and it feels really nice up against the skin. So we've got 3 skeins of that also included in the kit. So by the time you factor in all of the original prices and then factor in how much discount you're getting on all of this stuff, it is an incredible discount because in both of these kits, the $25 kit in particular, by the time you divide the price between all the different items, each one of these items comes out to like $2 or $3 a piece. And for the $15 kit, I think some of the items, they each come out to like $3 or $4 a piece. But either way, this is a great deal because, for example, the enamel pin is not even available for purchase, but their other enamel pins sell for like $7 or $8. This hook sells for probably $4, $5, $6. I'm not sure how much the Cotlin sells for, but the We Crochet magazine, I think it sells for about $15 retail. Sometimes they have it on sale. But I do know that this case, I'm pretty sure this case retails for $20. The hook set retails for $10. Again, there's the magazine. I don't remember how much the yarn sells for, but here's the enamel pin as well. And then their project bags, with each one of these items coming out to $2 or $3, especially in this kit, you can't go wrong with this deal. And if there's anything in the kit that you wouldn't be able to use yourself, you could always give it away to a crocheting friend because there's just so much stuff in here. It is such a great value. I think this is a great way to try new yarns and new tools, and of course get that amazing magazine included. So if you're interested in either one of these kits, you can go ahead and click the links down below in the description box to go and shop these kits. And as I mentioned before, the last time I posted about the first Yay Crochet kit, they sold out very, very quickly. So if you want to grab some of these while they are still available, you'll definitely want to go do that as soon as you can to make sure that you actually get one before they sell out, because I don't know how long they're going to keep these in stock, but I imagine that once they sell out, they probably won't be getting more of these kits back in stock until the next issue comes out, if they even do a Yay Crochet kit with the next issue of the magazine. So definitely go grab one of these kits or both of them while you're there at crochet.com. And I really hope you will love this stuff as much as I do, because I have really been enjoying trying all of these new things in my projects. So definitely go grab some of these items while you can. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you grab the Yay Crochet kit, let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.